The Polyprop chair, designed in 1962 by Robin Day, is made from injection-molded polypropylene and tubular steel. Tubular steel was chosen for the frame because it is light and provides good compressive strength. Polypropylene was used for the seat because it was capable of being formed by injection molding into a single seat shell. This was possible because of the plasticity of the material, the ability to be molded into a new shape. The choice of seat material made it possible to produce the shell by injection molding. This process allowed the manufacturer to produce over 4,000 seat shells a week. Because the chair was designed to be used in public areas, the fact that both materials were hard-wearing was also a consideration. The Polyprop chair is still in production today. Designed by the Gem Manufacturing Company in 1890, the classic paperclip is a single piece of wire bent into a double-looped shape. The loops are flexible enough to allow paper to slide between them, but strong enough to grip without damaging the paper. The design of the paperclip was made possible by the invention of steel wire. It is the elasticity of this material, which allows the paperclip to be bent and twisted into shape, that made the product so successful. The design of the paperclip has hardly changed over the years, confirming its status as a design classic. The first successful plastic jug kettle was designed in 1979 by a design consultancy called Action Design. Modern plastic kettles are usually manufactured from polypropylene, which is resistant to NOx and therefore tough. However, the popularity of the plastic kettle is generally based upon the thermal insulating properties of the material, allowing manufacturers to produce cool touch products which are safer than their metal equivalents. During the 1970s, glass drink bottles were replaced by plastic bottles. Almost all plastic drink bottles are now manufactured from PET, polyethylene terephthalate, which is a thermoplastic material. To produce a bottle, the plastic is formed by a process called blow molding, which relies on the plasticity of the material. A plastic bottle has to withstand very high pressure from the liquid inside, so the material needs to have a very high tensile strength to prevent the bottle from stretching. If a fizzy drink bottle is shaken, the pressure inside the bottle is greater than the pressure in a car tyre. The material has also been chosen to give the bottle a high impact resistance, or toughness, to withstand sudden knocks. A plastic material, silicone, has been used to produce cookware since the early 1980s. Silicone baking trays and bakeware, unlike traditional metal baking trays, can bend and flex in order to release their contents, and this elasticity makes them very versatile. However, it is the thermal properties of silicone that have brought about recent advances in kitchenware. Silicone bakeware can tolerate a huge range of temperatures without melting or cracking, from -40 degrees centigrade to 230 degrees centigrade. Silicone is also a poor conductor of heat, and silicone oven gloves can withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees centigrade. In 1994, Tom Dixon designed the Jack Light, which was manufactured from coloured polythene. A multi-purpose product, it has been described as a sitting, stacking, lighting thing. The polythene structure is translucent, allowing the product to be lit from inside, but the rigid form allows several of the lights to be stacked one on top of the other. The injection-molded jack is hard-wearing, tough, and has very good compressive strength, allowing it to be used as a seat.